Now it's time for a news blast from the Pep Radio Newsroom. The Michigan House Criminal Justice Committee just passed a piece of legislation that would repeal a so-called zombie law that criminalizes sodomy, something that was made legally unenforceable by the U.S. Supreme Court in the 2003 case Lawrence v. Texas. 8 Democrats voted in support of the legislation, with 2 Republicans opposing it and 2 more opting not to vote. The bill will be sent to the State House for an additional vote, will then go to the Michigan Senate, and if it passes there, to Governor Gretchen Whitmer's desk. She is a Democrat. According to State Representative Noah Arbit, who introduced the bill, despite repeated attempts to do so, the legislature has never repealed Michigan's so-called sodomy ban, permitting a zombie law that insults the constitutional rights of Michiganders to remain on the books. Sodomy laws have historically been used to target gay couples as an attempt to criminalize sex. The law is especially significant in the modern climate as there is a new risk with the U.S. Supreme Court that they may repeal the Lawrence ruling, similar to how Roe v. Wade, the rule legalizing abortion, was overturned last year. When the sodomy law was enforceable, violations were punishable by up to 15 years in prison, and or individuals with a prior sexual assault offense could face life imprisonment. Last year, Michigan lawmakers voted to enact anti-discrimination measures to protect LGBTQ plus people. These measures explicitly outline sexual orientation and gender identity as protected classes. If Michigan successfully gets these bills through their legislature, maybe Joanna McClinton and Pennsylvania Governor Josh Shapiro could have a sit down and a discussion with Michigan Governor Gretchen Whitmer about how to get stuff done. That's the news blast. And coming up next, we have the latest weather forecast from the National Weather Service.